My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware which is called Canadian. This is the ransomware that attacks files and damages the files essentially. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm showing you what can happen with the files if they get damaged by this ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, you were able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without any complications at all. However, regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Canadian may be easily injected into the device. Then it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware would soon encrypt these files, and whenever you try to open this specific file, you will get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file. So now you can see the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Canadian extension. The same applies to all other files. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration, so do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is researching your system immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Begin researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature is a part of the premium license only. Keep this in mind, of course. So then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the information about all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Based on the summary of threats, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you upgrade to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.